Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are gonna check out the new skin here.
Tab.
Don't see my profile. Don't see my profile. Oh, where's my?
Account. View profile.
Oh no, this is the wrong
Manage
page.
account. Account. General tab.
Garage.
Prestige tab.
Up.
Spring. Apply. Year. My skins tab. Reset skin. Prestige tab. Season. Spring. Back. General tab.
All right.
Settings.
So let me tell you one thing, okay? I just got my video stolen. The video before this video. I was playing Royals and then some stupid
tab.
idiot named Wobbly Slake.
Ready.
Hey, I got a
Super
Royal
Royal.
victory.
Ready.
We are not gonna
Cancel.
unmute ourselves and we are gonna stop some of those idiots. If they even speak a word, they're gonna quack. And that guy was even speaking Chinese. So I was speaking.
Your match is ready. Your match is ready.
Mute
Starting
myself.
Server. Back. Ready.
I'm gonna mute myself. I'm gonna mute every single one. Okay. So we don't have mics here. Enter. I am unmute. No, I am. No. Yes. No. It's muted now. I'm muted. Nice. And he doesn't have a mic. But now I'm gonna lose my brain in this going track. Who even thought about making this? Neon Night Drive or Neon Nightmare? Oh, don't think about it. I see some lines. Follow the big beefy lines. Oh, that was pretty good. Come on. Oof. Oofly. I have finished green section. It's actually very simple, fairly simple. To be honest, that one was a bit narrow here. It is getting narrow though, I know that. Fast and Trackmania like Solis wins the race. Oh, don't you think about it! I went so far! I'm in 7th place at 13th. Almost half. Hey, black. Hey, what? We are on red section. Where's the red section? Bang. Oh, this is so narrow. This is definitely a lot narrow. Oh, don't you think about it telling me this is gonna be the world's best. I lost in the space. If you want to go to space and check out my lost F1 car, you are allowed. If you have Elon Musk. You know, there's actually a one Tesla Roadster actually there in space. Hey, I see a Tesla Roadster. Oh, I don't know if they have edited. Oh, don't you think about it? Yes, yeah. Nah. Really? At least I'll be in 2nd place though. Crocodiler. Okay. I know how to do it. Hi-ya! Hey, we're flying into space. Hey, land on the UFO. Yes! I clapped the UFOs, but who is this Indian guy? Hey, hey, I got a second place. I got a second place. Second place. Second place. I got a second place. I got a second place. See, I'm better than a KGHGA7 guy. Okay. Please don't speak KGHGA. Please mute me. Please mute me. I do not want to be unmuted. Please. No unmuting. No unmuting. No, 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 no unmuting. Since I know my second video just got stolen. Mute player. Yes. I am now muted. Right? No, I'm not. Unmute player. Yes. Now I am muted, right? Yes. Now I am. I'm still on. Now I'm definitely muted. Right? Right. But I can't believe I got my video stolen by some random Chinese chu-chung guy. Hiya, white section. Move, car. Oh. Here we are playing the multiplayer online. Here I come. Reaction booster down. Here I come. Wow. Finish the 3-6. Why am I? They were just for more speed. Here I come. Oh my god, this is my favorite one. Dirt. Rally dirt to be exact. And water. Who can go wrong with water? I'm gonna take some swimming lessons, by the way. Don't you think about it? Don't you think about it? Oh, don't you think about it? Yes! I'm only willing to make it the best I could. Hey, wait. I don't need any caring. Oh, don't you think about it? Don't you think about it, ice? Don't you think about it? Ice needs to be cared with niceness. So you know what happens when you care ice? Turn nice. Why do we have to have a turbo? Wait, now it works out. See? Just need to do a little bit of ice sliding. Bam. And casting into walls. And here you come. Down. What? I actually think I'll go in reverse for this time. Yeah. I did. I'm going reverse. See, so now it's gonna slow me down. When I come here, I'm gonna flip out myself. And see, ice sliding. That's what it's called, professional players done. Bam. Can I just now please don't get this ice slide? It does not have enough power. Don't you say? Which team am I again? Nobody will ever know. Yay, third team. I'm a crocodile. Alright, I'm a crocodile. Crocodile. I'm a crocodile. Who is definitely not scared of speeders. Or spooders. Or Spooderman. Okay. Ora. I am just scared of one thing. Losing my rank. Oh god, I don't even have a good enough rank to lose my rank. So this looks like a section. Okay. I don't think I'll be able to win this, but here we come. The ice. Oh yes it is. Oh yes it is. Reverse it up. Come on, car. dog barking at? Why? Why? We need to do the wall riding technique. Okay, we need to stay at least. Okay. Yes, blue section. Oh, that was a sneaky jump. Ooh, that was a very sneaky jump. Break down, go here. Oh, no, don't even think about it. Don't even think about a small little jump. Also could be very dangerous. Here I come. No, I believe I could fly. Please don't say that. Delete or advance to here. Section. Oh, don't you think about it? Oh, don't you think about it, brother? Don't you think about it? Don't you think about it? Don't you think about it? And the don't you think about it guy. Patak! Quack! Oh, quackers! Oh no 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 no! I can see it. Don't you think about it, please? Don't you think about it? Please don't you think about it? Oh, we need to go speedy guy. How can I go speedy guy through that? Okay, I know how I can. I know how I can. Just think about riding the wall. You're just a normal wall rider. When you go down here and crash. Okay, we need to back up a little bit. Forward it up. Forward it up. And then go. Go, 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 go. Wow. At least I'm not gone. Crocodile is the best team of the round. Crocodile, 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 crocodile. I will be the best team of the round. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Without getting my video stolen. Since that guy stole my video. Yeah. Waiting for players. 15 out of 12. 12 out of 15. 27, 54, 108, 100, 216, 216, 432, 432 plus 400, 868. Go. Oh, jump over that one. Easy peasy. Yeah, here I come. Fast one to finish that section. Here I come. This one, yeah, I will truly win. I know how to do this one. Just a slow and steady process. Yeah. Woohoo! Okay, go, go, go. No. Hiya. Hiya. No, 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 please push me down. Please push me forward. No, 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 no. Oh no. Please, please, please. Yes, yes. Oof. Oofly. Oofly, yes. Oh no, do you think about it? Yes, no. How could that happen? How? Fine then. Start breaking from here. Hiya. Oh, don't you think about it? Don't you think about it? Don't you think about it? Yeah. Hiya. Hiya. Okay then. Speed and Trackmania like. Hiya. Jumping off the bridge. Wait, I have advanced. I have advanced. Don't you think about it? Don't you think about it? No, 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 no. Move back. Move back. Slow and Trackmania like. Ah! I'm a monkey, I'm a monkey, I'm a monkey. I can admit that I'm a monkey. Oh, no, no, no. I'm a track monkey. Go, 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 go. Hi. Hi. Hiya. Hui. No, no, no. Why are you? The black section. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm in the black section. What do you need to pass is this so goodly? No, damn. Got slapped off the edge. Oh, no, 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 no. Hiya! No! It just leaves an opening and then you get cracked. Please don't knock out Crocodile. We are the best teams of the round. We're always in second. The Crocodile is the best. Except for Flamingo. So I think I'm gonna wrap this. If you guys enjoyed, so like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, gamers. Bye.